All right. Welcome back, all you beautiful breathing people. Today, we are doing an energizing breathwork session. We will be doing 3 rounds of Breath of Fire with a 30-second breath hold in between each round. The breath hold will be on the inhale, and try to squeeze your pelvic floor and abdominals and let the energy flow throughout your body. I recommend doing this in the mornings if you want to have beautiful energy throughout the rest of your day. So sit down with an upright posture and get ready for this energizing breath work. Breath of Fire in 3, 2, 1, begin. Okay, 30 more seconds. You can do this. Keep on going. Feel the energy rise. Feel the heat build in your body. 20 more seconds. All right, 10 more seconds. You can do this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fully in. Hold for 30 seconds. Squeeze your pelvic floor, squeeze your abdominals, let the energy flow all throughout your body. All right, 15 more seconds. Keep on squeezing, keep on feeling the energy all throughout your body. We're almost there. Exhale in 3, 2, 1. Let it out. All right. Let's get ready for the next round of Breath of Fire. In 3, 2, 1, begin. All right, fantastic. 30 more seconds. Keep on going. 20 more seconds. Ten more seconds. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fully in, and hold it. Squeeze the pelvic floor, squeeze the abdominals for 30 seconds. Feel the energy all throughout your body. We're creating this beautiful energy that you can use the rest of your day. 15 more seconds. 10. All right, exhale in 3, 2, 1. Very good. Get ready for the last round of Breath of Fire. We will begin in 3, 2, 1, begin. This is the last round. Give it everything you got. Keep on building this heat. Keep on building this beautiful energy. 40 more seconds to go. All right, 30 seconds. You can do this. 15 more seconds. We're almost there. All right, 10 seconds. All right, 5, 4, 15 more seconds. 10. Exhale in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it out. All right, the work is done. You can relax. And remember that energy is infectious. So you can take this energy, take this beautiful energy that we all built up together and share it with others. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe and comment and enjoy the rest of your day. Remember to breathe and remember to laugh.